We've reached a tipping point. Our world is drowning in the artificial. We've become disconnected from what's real, from ourselves, from each other, and from nature. We've replaced natural with synthetic, intuition with algorithms, empathy with efficiency. Is it any wonder we feel so depleted, overwhelmed, and isolated? In your heart, you know there's a better way. That the answer both surrounds us and lives within us. We call it natural intelligence, a return to what's real, re-embracing a way of life for natural solutions that may heal. A mother's intuition guides, and human connections ground us. Together, we're awakening this natural intelligence within us all by distilling nature's wisdom into simple, intuitive solutions that empower you to confidently care for yourself, your loved ones, and community. Our essential oils are natural intelligence in its purest, most potent form. Thanks to our shared natural chemistry, our bodies immediately recognize and harmonize with each essential oil, channeling their distinct restorative wisdom into personalized support. And because our essential oils are of the highest quality, they're also proven and precise. Which is why every day millions of mothers trust our lemon to cleanse, our peppermint to energize, and our lavender to calm. Natural intelligence is also innate to our shared humanity. Every time you reach out, every time you comfort, every time you share, we believe in this truth so deeply that we've made it central to the way we work. Together with millions of passionate wellness advocates, we're growing a global community committed to a deeper level of care, all while locking arms with farmers, harvesters, and distillers who cultivate these gifts of the earth. Join us as we defy the artificial and return to what's real, because life can only come from life. Choose natural intelligence. Choose doTERRA.